Hello friends, myself CA Vijay Mittal. I welcome to all of you again at your own YouTube channel Professional Gyan Kendra. Friends, today we will discuss a GST compliances in case of director's remuneration. Friends, there are a lot of confusions among the people in relation to this topic, so I thought that I should make a video on this topic. First of all, we will discuss, friends, advance ruling given by the Rajasthan authority in case of Craycraft India Private Limited, dated 20 फरवरी 2020, 20th February 2020. As per this ruling, GST will be paid when any remuneration is paid by company to the director as per entry number 6 of notification number 13/2017 dated 28/6/2017. This ruling creates a lot of confusions among the company's management and directors. Friends, what was the reason for the confusion? The reason for confusion was Schedule 3 activities. Schedule 3 activities are those activities or transactions which are neither treated as supply of goods nor supply of services as per section 7 subsection 2 of the CGST Act 2017. What are the activities covered under Schedule 3? Item number 1. A service is provided by employee to the employer in relation or cost to an employment. Second number, sale of land or completed buildings. Number 3, auctionable claims except lottery, betting or gambling. Functions performed by the member of parliament. Services provided by the courts or the tribunals. Services in relation to funeral, etc. And the services provided by an employee to the employer in relation to employment. This is covered under Schedule 3 activities. So that is the reason why the confusion has been created. Now the question is whether a director is an employee of the company or not. This has been clarified by the circular number 140/10/2020. This circular clarifies the definition of director, whether it will be taxable under GST or not. First of all, friends, we will discuss a services provided by the independent director or a person who is not an employee of the company. As per section 2 subsection 94, which describe the definition of full-time director, it is an inclusive definition, and as per this definition, a full-time director may be a person who is not an employee of the company. Means it is not necessary that a full-time director will always be an employee of the company. Second one, friends, as per section 149 subsection 6 of Companies Act 2013, read with Rule 12 of Companies Rule 2014, makes it clear that such director should not be an employee, proprietor or partner in the said company in any of the 3 financial year immediately preceding the financial year in which he is proposed to be appointed as an independent director. So, any remuneration or consideration paid to an independent director or a person who is not an employee of the company by whatever name called, it will be treated as a fees provided for the professional or technical services in which TDS will be deducted under section 194J. So friends, all the services which are provided by an independent director or a person who is not an employee of the company will be covered under entry number 6 of notification number 13/2017 dated 28/6/2017, and it is out of the scope of Schedule 3 activities, and in this case GST will be paid under RCM by the recipient of services. It is further clarified that if in the books of the company any remuneration or consideration paid to independent director or a person who is not an employee of the company has been shown separately from the salary, in that case it will be treated as fees for the professional services or technical services, and TDS should be deducted under section 194J of the Income Tax Act, and it will be taxable under RCM as per entry number 6 of notification number 13/2017 dated 28/6/2017. Now friends, we will discuss about the directors who are the employee of the company. When it is ascertained that a director is also an employee of the company, in that case it becomes necessary to examine that. Means all the services provided by that director to the company should be under the relation of an employment. There should be a contract of service, not the contract for services. It is further clarified that if in the books of the company a remuneration or consideration paid to a director who is an employee of the company is shown as salary, in that case a TDS should be deducted under section 192 of the Income Tax Act 1961. And now it will be covered under schedule 3 activities and no GST will be leviable under RCM. At last friends, I would like to give you a conclusion. If a TDS is deducted under section 192 of the Income Tax Act 1961, in that case it will be covered under schedule 3 activities and no GST will be paid under RCM. If TDS is deducted under section 194J of the Income Tax Act, in that case it will be out of the scope of schedule 3 activities and it will be covered under entry number 6 of notification number 13/2017 dated 28/6/2017, and tax has to be paid under RCM by the recipient of services. With these words friends, I hope that it will be informative to all of you, and thank you for watching the video. We will meet again with a new video. Till then, namaskar, dhanyawad, sat sri akal.